Today we're going to be checking out some pretty unique protective card holder cases by VRS Design for the brand new Galaxy S24 Ultra. Here we have the Glide Ultimate case, and we also have the Black Groove Glide Pro. Now I'm going to show you all the features that these cases come with, and I promise you by the end of this video, you'll know whether or not these cases are right for you. And if you guys want to pick them up, I will be putting product links in the video description. So let's get started. So here we have the VRS Design Glide Ultimate case. As you can see, this case is pretty industrial looking. It does have a camera cover on the back to keep your camera lenses protected from scratches and dust and just dirt in general. It can also be used as a kickstand. And it's also got a really cool automatic card holder case on the back that you're probably going to end up using as a fidget toy like I do. On the inside here, you can see the clear design with all your credit cards, and it can hold up to 4 cards in the back. On the inside here, you can see it's got a clear design, so you can see all your cards, and everything's pretty much smooth plastic on the inside. So let's put our phone inside the case. Case fits the phone very nicely, feels nice and solid in the hand. It's got these kind of textures on the side, so you can very easily grip the phone. Buttons are nice and clicky, easily accessible. If we look at the case from the side, you can see how much of a raised edge it's got on the top and the bottom and the sides of the case for protection. And it also adds a pretty good amount of bulk to the phone, but you're getting that card holder case on the back. We also have reinforced corners for drop protection. And if you look at the bottom of the case, you can see that it's got this little extra plastic protrusion that comes out from the bottom of the phone that will protect the phone from drops because it won't even touch your phone if it hits this bottom. We also have these little clips on the bottom of the case too for use with the carabiner clip that comes with this case. It's got a really nice nylon strap, and then again you've got that carabiner on the bottom that you can put through one of these holes and clip into place, and you can clip it onto your book bag, and I use something to hold your phone. And then you can see on the bottom here, it's got a little cutout for your S Pen that you can access. It's a little bit harder than normal, but you can still get it out. If we look at the other side, you can see it's got that same textured feel as well as our power and volume buttons on the side. On the back, again, it's got that really cool industrial design with our card holder that can hold up to 4 cards. And we have that camera lens cover that you can easily open up like that to take some pictures. Very nice. Covers your cameras from dust and just getting all scratched up. And it's also got a nice raised edge around your camera lenses for protection there too. And like I mentioned before, you can also use this like a kickstand, so you can put it in the landscape mode so you can kind of watch some YouTube or Netflix. You can put it in 2 different orientations, one where it's kind of angled more towards, your body, or you can lay it down to where it's angled more towards your face. And you can also stand it up in a portrait mode as well to maybe take some Zoom calls if you need, or you can also lay it down to where it's angled more towards your face. It's pretty versatile. Works pretty good, very nice and solid. It is made of plastic, but again, like I said, it's a solid piece and it's not going to just flop around. And then that card holder case, I'm telling you, if you have this case, you're probably going to end up just opening and closing this card holder case like I do. It's just kind of like a fidget toy. But we'll put in our credit cards, see what that looks like. So we got 1 card, 2 card, 3 card, and then a 4th card with some embossment on it, and it easily closes up with those cards in it. So no problems there. You can mix and match, flat and embossed cards like that, and then if you need to get it out, you can kind of just, get your finger in there and then pull out some cards. Not a problem. It's very nice that it holds up to 4 cards because you might want to carry your ID and some credit cards and something else. So it's definitely very versatile. Now the one thing about this case is it does not wirelessly charge with credit cards in the back. As you can see, nothing's happening. So let's take the cards out and we'll see if we can still wirelessly charge because this is a thicker case. And it doesn't seem to be charging, it's just too thick. So if you typically use wireless charging for your phone, you're not going to be able to use it with this case. So that is a really cool case. And again, that was the Glide Ultimate. And then here we have the Glide Pro case in its black groove color. This case still gives you the same card holder option as the Glide Ultimate, but it's not as bulky. We get that really nice texture on the back card holder, and it looks like it's got metal on the top and the bottom as well to give it kind of like a really cool, sleek look, and it's still kind of industrial looking. On the inside here, it's got a yellow plastic for the card holder and a smooth plastic for the rest of the case. It's surrounded by a hard plastic on the back and a softer TPU on the sides. Let's put our phone inside the case. Fits the phone very nicely, feels good in the hand. It's not slippery. Buttons are easily accessible on the back. If we take a look at it from the side, you can see that it does have a prominent raised edge on the top and the bottom of the case, and it's got a little edge on the sides. On the side of the case, we have that serration for grip as well as our lanyard holes. On the bottom, we have our cutouts as well as the portion for your S Pen that you can easily access. On the other side, we have that serration again, along with our power button and our volume buttons. On the back, we have a card holder case with that kind of texture, and it's also got a raised edge around our camera lenses for protection there too. But if you put your phone on its back, it's not going to actually touch the camera lenses anyway because of the card holder bump. But there's still extra protection there as well. Again, just like the Glide Ultimate, this has that automatic sliding card holder case, which you're probably going to be just playing around with most of the time. But this can also hold for cards. So we'll put our cards in here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And it closes up very easily. It's a very nice card holder case. Out of all the cases I've ever done a review on, this has to have the nicest card holder case that I've seen. I just like playing with it too. So the same thing with this case. You're not going to be able to wirelessly charge if you typically do. So I have the cards in the back. So now I'll take the cards out and we'll test the wireless charging again. So if you want to wirelessly charge, you're not going to be able to do it with this case, but you're still getting the added bonus of the card holder. So it's a little bit of a trade-off. I really do like the kickstand and camera cover of the Glide Ultimate because now the back of your phone is totally covered, and both of these cases are going to offer some pretty decent drop protection as well. And I love playing with these card holder. It's just so cool. If you get these cases, let me know what your experience is and if you play with these card holders as much as I do. So again, if you guys want to pick these up, I will be putting product links in the video description. And if you guys enjoyed the video, it would really help out the channel if you gave me a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Thank you all for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.